these amazing doorknob that I got. This is a passage/slash privacy doorknob, so you can lock it right here. It unlocks and locks, so it's perfect. No key, you can lock it from the inside, and that's it. It has, if God forbid somebody does lock it, you can just unlock it with the little button, which is right there, like I said. So it's easy to unlock. Nobody will get locked inside. It is a beautiful gold frame, and it's got the nice crystal doorknobs, which I love. It is the perfect size, looks amazing. It gives your door like a nice, modern, elegant look. So love it, highly recommend them. Easy installation. It comes with all the detailed instructions on how to install, which I'm going to install in my doors, and then I'll show you. So, but love it, highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.